Tri-North Builders has been a staple at Kids Building Wisconsin since the very first event in 2014. A commercial and retail construction management firm, Tri-North is one of Wisconsin's largest contractors. You have probably been in one of Tri-North's many projects and not even known it. Marcus Theaters, Napa Auto Parts stores, Trek Bicycle stores, the Grand Geneva Resort, and Unity Point Medical Clinics, just to name a few. Annually, Tri-North is named one of the top places to work in the Madison area. Tri-North builds about 200 projects a year in all 50 states and is based right here in Fitchburg. This year at Kids Building Wisconsin, Tri-North will have the demo wall back for kids to experience the demolition side of construction. Also, Tri-North hosts the very popular boom lift rides with Ideal Crane Rental. Tri-North Builders is a proud title sponsor of Kids Building Wisconsin. We thank them for their commitment and dedication to bringing the construction industry to your kids. When you see the Tri-North crew on May 14th, be sure to say thank you for all of their hard work.